Prince Kaby's weird little D tweet causes a stir like MT. He's been trending since, with social media users saying he is in the same WhatsApp group as MT. Charlotte hitmaker Prince Kaby has left social media users with many questions following his tweet about his little D. Out of nowhere, he took to Twitter on Thursday and shared how his mother reacted after showing her his little D. "So my mom comes, sick, to me and says, Kablo Enrique sabay. I show it to her and she says, Jowa ichasani, bona ichojwang. So according to my mom, a vagina is an oven." Loosely translated to, "Mom asked me show her my little D and she said you are burning it, or overusing it, my boy. Look how dark it is." He has been trending since, with people asking if he was high on something after sharing such intimate details. But he did not seem moved at all, as he again made fun of Twitter for making him trend for only that.